Hey everybody, welcome back to Melissa's Soapery. Today I have an unboxing from Nature's Garden. They had some new scents. I can't remember the brand name. It's nothing I've ever smelt before, but because they are so good, I decided to try them. So we're going to unbox them together and get our first impressions. They have it taped really good. Okay, here is all 5 of them. I will leave links to each one, of course, in the description box. Okay, this one is Temptations in the Tropics. I will also link the original scent with each description on the Nature's Garden dupe. So this is Temptations in the Tropics. Oh, gotta shake it first. That smells very good. It's kind of light, but I like it. I think it would be really good in like body butters, shower gels, things like that. And then we have Crushing on You. Oh, that one so far is my favorite. I'm only into 2. Oh. Then we have Samba at Sunrise. That's another light one, but it smells really good. And then we have Caramelized Macadamia Mingle. That's a mouthful. Oh yeah, I can smell the macadamia nut. Oh, that one's fabulous as well. And then Sunset Reverie, I think is how I'm supposed to pronounce it. Oh, that one smells really good. My cat's fixing to come say hey. Missy, come here. Come here. Missy. Okay. This is my Missy. Say hello, Missy. She's a mess. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all next video.